Hi all, my name is Srikanth, working as chemistry senior faculty in Vasishta education institutions. Today I am going to analyze hydrocarbon chapter belongs to first year organic chemistry. So before analyzing the hydrocarbons, just one tip, that is to understand hydrocarbons need more practice about IUPAC nomenclature, isomerism and reaction mechanism especially. Reaction mechanism gives very clarity about the proceedings of reactions. Especially it is very useful in named reactions. So in generally in hydrocarbons there are four types of branches, that is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compounds. So first we have to analyze alkanes. In alkanes, alkenes are alkynes and aromatic. Regarding JEE, there is some topics belongs to high priority. High priority means more than 5 times in JEE. Moderate priority means more than 3 times in JEE. Low priority means more than 1 time in JEE. So generally alkanes, there is n number of named reactions. Among n number of named reactions, the important high priority named reactions are especially Woods reaction, coal-based reaction, coal-based electrolysis also, Caro-House reaction and Wolff-Kishner reaction. So whereas in the case of moderate priority topic, in chemical properties especially, halogenation, very importantly mechanism of halogenation and aromatization, it is useful in aromatic compounds also, and pyrolysis, and just a low priority means Sabatier-Sanderson reaction, Franklin reaction and Clemenson's reaction. You observe one thing, in alkanes majority portion belongs to named reactions. So by listening that named reaction, we have to understand the reaction. Like alkanes, in alkenes also high priority, moderate priority and low priority. In alkanes, the most important thing, it is useful in second year organic chemistry also, that is dehalogenation. In dehalogenation, Hoffman degradation and Sedgwick rule, especially the cases where Hoffman is used and Sedgwick is used, and next dehydration of alcohols, and moderate priority addition reactions of alkenes, very important, and allylic substitution. The two rules, Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule, especially in which case anti-Markovnikov rule we have to use, like presence of peroxide, presence of sunlight and addition with HCl and HBr differentiation, and low priority topic, that is oxidation reactions and polymerization reactions. Now the third one, alkynes, especially alkynes, when compared to the alkanes and alkenes, in the point of JEE main, a less priority in alkynes. In alkynes also, high priority nucleophilic addition reactions and hydroboration, it is also used in inorganic chemistry, and a moderate priority as only one, that is oxymercuration and demercuration of alkynes. It is also used in second year organic chemistry. So to understand alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, before entering to the hydrocarbons, a very clarity we want regarding especially mechanism and isomerism. In isomerism, conformational isomerism and geometrical isomerism, and especially main reaction mechanism. So to understand hydrocarbons, we have to more concentrate and priority to the conformational isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Fourth one, aromatic compounds. A very interesting and important topics of hydrocarbons, which leads to several compounds of aromatic compounds. So in aromatic compounds, especially high priority topics are effect of substituent groups. So in earlier also I explained reaction mechanism is very used in hydrocarbons. Regarding that, based on that, effect of substitution means in some of the groups are activating and ortho-para directing groups. Some examples: OH, OR, NH2, NR2, alkyls, etc. And some substituent groups directs are deactivating the group, that simply called it as meta-directing groups, NO2, CN, CHO, COR, etc. So next, moderate priority topics are very simple. That is electrophilic substitution reactions. In electrophilic substitution reaction, there is a N number, but some of here are nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation. These all reactions are distinguished based on the reagent reacted with benzene. So now low priority means the title, that is aromaticity, and how to structure of benzene, and what is the rule of Haeckel is very important in aromatic compounds. All the best, my dear students.